Hello, in front of me I have Motorola Moto G86 Power, and in this video I'm going to show you how to find your IMEI number, and also I'll show you all possible checking options on IMEI.info page. Okay, so let's begin. First, to check the IMEI number of our device, we have two methods. We can open up our phone app and type this specific code. So type *#06# and now we have our both IMEI numbers, also the AID2 and the serial number. That's the first method, but also if you want, you can open up the settings. You can scroll down into the bottom, click on About Phone, scroll down, click on Device Details, and in here we have our both IMEI numbers. So now we need to open up the IMEI.info page on our PC, and I'll see you what other things we can do. Okay, so now we are on the IMEI.info page, and now in this bar we need to click on Check IMEI. Also, if you don't know how to check IMEI, or if you want to do it on your own, in here you also have the quick instruction. Click on Check IMEI. Now, as you can see, our Motorola appeared, and in here, as we scroll down, we can see the basic information about our device. We can also click on Expand Info to see more. On the right side we have the full device specification. We also can see the photos of this device, and we can also see the parameters. It's a really long list. When you go back, you can also buy a phone like this when you click on that button, and below we have the basic checks and the advanced checks. When it comes to the basic ones, we have the blacklist simple check, eSIM compatibility check, random image generator, MAC address check, MAC address generator, lost device add, lost device check, and when it comes to the premiums, we can check the Motorola warranty and country check, perform the blacklist premium check, T-Mobile USA status check, Verizon USA status check, and perform the Motorola unlock. And below we can share this page using the QR code. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.